Hello there, Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and building this. Oh, and I'm not doing this alone. Hey! Let's get started. Now that we've got everything out of the box, let's build this thing. Now we're going to build the burger itself. We're done. Now we can bring in the truck. Come on everybody, let's go celebrate this. Let's go. Oh cool, a burger truck.
Hello, what would you like?
Hi, do you have Lego Raid?
Yeah, actually we do. That'll be $5.
Alright. Okay, have a good day, bye.